Hello students, today we will solve a question from class 12th mathematics chapter 7 miscellaneous exercise. Our question is find the integration of this integrand. We can see that this integrand is proper rational function. Why it is proper rational function? Because the degree of the numerator is less than the degree of denominator. We can see the degree of numerator is 0 and degree of denominator is 3. That's why we called this integrand as proper rational function. Uh, Here we can also see that the denominator term can easily be factorized. So let's write the this integrand in factorized form. Let write let's write the denominator of the given integral in factorized form. So it will become 1 upon x multiply with 1 minus x multiply with 1 plus x. Name it as equation number 1. Now we know that it is always possible to write the integrand as a sum of simpler rational function. Simpler rational functions means the sum of the separate terms, simpler rational functions, by a method called partial fraction decomposition. Now, now, now we will use partial fraction decomposition. Now we will use partial fraction decomposition method to write equation number 1 in simpler rational function. So it will like 1 upon x multiply with 1 minus x multiply with 1 plus x, which is equals to a by x plus b by 1 minus x plus c by 1 plus x. Now we will evaluate the values of a, b and c. So for this, take the LCM of this term. So the LCM of this term is 1 upon x, 1 minus x, 1 plus x, which is equals to a 1 minus x square plus b x minus 1 plus x plus c x multiply with 1 minus x divided by x, 1 minus x and 1 plus x. Now we will cancel the both denominator of the sides. So after cancelling, our term will become 1 is equals to a minus a 1 minus x square bracket plus b multiply with x multiply with 1 plus x plus c x multiply with 1 minus x. So we will expand this equation. So the expansion form of this equation will be uh, uh, will be will be 0 multiply with x square plus 0 multiply with x plus 1 equals to within the bracket minus a plus b minus c bracket close multiply with x square plus within the bracket b plus c bracket close multiply with x plus a. Now we will equate this x square x and constant term with the left hand side x square x and constant term. So by equating these we find that a is equals to 1, a equals to 1, this x square term minus a plus b minus c equals to 0, and this x term b plus c equals to 0. By now by solving these equation we will find that a is equals to 1, b equals to 1 by 2, and c equals to minus 1 by 2. Now we will put these value in this equation. So now putting this value in this equation we will find that 1 upon bracket x 1 minus x 1 minus x bracket close 1 plus x bracket close is equals to putting the value of a 1 upon x plus 1 by 2 bracket multiply with 1 minus x bracket close plus minus 1 by 2 multiply with 1 upon 1 plus x. Now we will integrate these terms. Now integrating above equation for our desired for our required answer. So dx upon x bracket 1 minus x bracket close 1 plus x bracket close integrating is equals to 1 upon x dx integrating plus 1 by 2 1 minus x integrating plus minus 1 by 2 integrating 1 upon 1 plus x dx. So the integration of these term is easy, and we know that the value of this integration, so the value of this integration first for 1 upon x dx is log x, second 1 upon 1 minus x uh, 1 minus x dx integrating equals to, this is the similar case of this is the similar case of this. So the integration of this is will become minus log 1 minus x. Here we also use the integrating constant, and for the third one 1 upon 1 plus x dx is equals to log 1 plus x plus integrating constants. So these are the integration of these terms. Now we will put this values in this equation, and from where we can find our required answer. So dx 1 minus x 1 plus x integrating is equals to log x plus for this one we will put 1 upon 2 log 1 minus x. Here minus is also included. Minus 1 upon 2 log 1 plus x plus integrating constant c. Now we will simplify this term in proper manner. We know that log property. We know that some log property which we will use in this terms to simplify this. First one is log x minus log y is equals to log x by y. Second one is log x raised to power m, where m is some constant, is equals to m log x. Now we will use this both formula to simplify this term. So our term will become dx upon x 1 minus x 1 plus x integration equals to log x as it is. Now this term will follow this rule. Now this term will follow this rule. There is one more formula which we will use here, and this formula is sorry, there is one more formula which we will use here to simplify this term. Now write this line here, dx x 1 minus x 1 plus x, write in simplified form, log x minus 1 by 2 log 1 minus x plus log 1 plus x plus integrating constant c. Now this rule now this formula now here we will use this formula to solve this term. So log x minus 1 by 2 will become this term will become log 1 minus x into 1 plus x plus integrating constant c. So this will become log x minus 1 by 2 log 1 minus x square plus integrating constant c. Now we can also simplify this form as if we take if we can write this term as, we can write this log x term as log x is equals to 1 by 2 log x square. So we will use this term here, 1 by 2 log x square minus 1 by 2 log 1 minus x square plus c. Now we will use this formula to solve this term. So taking 1 by 2 is common. Log x square minus log x 1 minus x square will become as log x square by 1 minus x square plus c, which is our required answer. This is our required answer. Uh, Thank you for watching the video.